Chill right there. Yeah. Y'all can see me. Am I looking good though? Am I looking swole? Or am I looking scrawny? Hold up. Yo. We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to see, make sure y'all watch last video, because if y'all can be, you know what I'm saying, y'all know what's going on. So in this video we are in the Ford Taurus, right? The Ford Taurus that I bought from the auction, and we are going to attempt to use the Cataclean. This car has a catalytic converter code, which I'm trying to pass emissions. I live in the emissions county, you know what I'm saying? So and it, you know, I can't sell the car to somebody who lives in the emissions, okay, I'm tripping over my words here. I can't sell the car to somebody who lives in an emissions county. So if the county needs emissions, I cannot sell them the car. The computer won't even let me to sell them the car as a dealer. But if they don't, you know what I'm saying, I can sell them the car. Now, with that being said, that limits the people that you can sell the car to, you feel me? So, you know, we just gonna try to put some Cataclean in here. I never tried this stuff before. This is not a sponsored review or nothing like that. We just gonna see if this shit work. If it don't work, I'm gonna tell y'all, bruh, it don't work. You feel me? I'm just be like, no. You feel me? But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation. Appreciate y'all. Follow me on all social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and a link in the description below. And make sure you go to wehustledaily.com. You want to learn how to buy and sell cars, check out cars, learn how to properly inspect cars. You know what I'm saying? Don't get a limit at the auction. Y'all can say what you want to say. If you're going to say anything about this car, oh, you bought a car, then you got a check engine light. Who cares? Karen, I ride around with Karen every day with a check engine light. The check engine light ain't ever went off on that goddamn car. So it ain't no different, but I'm going to show you that this car ride though. And by the way, don't forget. Oh, and check them testimonials out on the website too. The testimonials say everything for itself. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation who be always showing me love, and I appreciate y'all too. But just for the people who say I probably done banned all y'all by now. I see a couple of little comments here and there, but it's been a minute. I think I done banned all y'all. I think we got love on the channel. You know what I'm saying? But I know some of y'all be thinking it in y'all head, so I'm gonna just tell y'all. It don't even matter. $260,000 miles. So we got some gas in there. I think this stuff say use to the thing. Okay, 1 full, approximately 4 gallons. I don't care about none of that. All of this shit going in here. All of it. Check us out though. One more time. One time for the one time. One time for the one time. Oh, wrong tire. Y'all know how I got the other tires changed in the last video. So now we is about to see, guys, is the Cataclean stuff going to work? What y'all think? Y'all think this is going to work? That's a nice little thumbnail too. Hold on, let me get it on this side. Look at that car shining, bro. Don't try to disrespect me in the comments talking about the 260 when the car shining like that. Dude, look at that. That's right, nasty. That might be the thumbnail, y'all. I don't know yet. But anyway, y'all see the car. Y'all see it is clean. Y'all see I had just got these tires. I had just got this one, back one, and then the other back one. Make sure y'all check the video out when I bought this car, because then y'all gonna see that, you know what I'm saying? Let me see. Let me open this. Let me see if I can open this. Matter of fact, y'all stay up here. Y'all go up here. Y'all chill right there. Yeah. Y'all can see me. Am I looking good though? Am I looking swole? Or am I looking scrawny? Damn, he done cranked up the GTO. Where the keys at? Damn it. Hold up. Look at my partner right here though. I'm about to pull off in that joint. You got the GTO, that joint sound nasty. Hold on. Hold on, there you go. I see you, boss. Got the GTO. G8 GT. I said GTO. What am I looking for? The keys. So I can do this real quick. Let's put this up here real quick for y'all again. Boom. Poke that. Open that up. good. Take that off. Drop that on the ground. Oops. Damn, this shit say go in the gas tank, don't it? I ain't even really read it for real. Fuel tank, yeah. Hold up. Yo, all the shit. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Bro, all the shit pulling out on the ground, bro. That's crazy. Dang. Damn, I done wasted it. Damn, I wasted some. That sucks. What a freaking buffoon. Damn. I ain't gonna even be able to see if it really... I was putting it right here. That's crazy. That shit went right on the ground, bro. Damn it. Y'all ever did something goofy like that before? I really just did something goofy just there, right there on camera. That's crazy. That's a lot too, bro. Damn, we might not even really see if this shit worked for real, for real. Damn. Oh my God. That's crazy. Bro. That is crazy. That's crazy. Hell no. Damn, that's crazy as hell. I literally wasted all the goddamn Cataclean damn near. I'm debating, y'all, if I want to go buy another one. What would y'all do? Let me know in the comments below, because that's about to be $40. Man, the hell with that Cataclean. We're going to see this shit work. It probably ain't, but hey, that's my fault, man. Now I know, dog. I'm going to clear that light. We going to take flight. I know, y'all, I messed up. I messed up big time. I ain't gonna flex. I ain't gonna flex. I ain't gonna flex to y'all, bro. Damn. Oh, shoot. I can't believe I just did that. Ah, guys. I'm a fool, bro. Hey, well, hey, look. Y'all can't judge it on this video. Y'all can't judge it on this video, man. This got to be the most messed up review. I don't even know which way I need to go. This got to be the most messed up review y'all ever gonna see in y'all life. But I don't care. Y'all gonna get it. We gonna see if it worked. That little bit that did work, that went in there. But damn, most of the damn bottle was on the floor. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Most of the bottle was on the floor. Look, let me show y'all how to drive. Look, see all this, right? I ain't scared though. See, I gotta go this way, so boom, I'm gonna get on over here, right? And this is what I notice about people. Usually, like when you put your signal on, like people don't care about that, bro. You just gotta cut somebody. You can always cut like one of these trucks. They always slow. You know what I'm saying? And then they be, they slower too. Damn, I could've got the Lexus. Hold on, bro. Come on. Go, bro. Damn. I gotta get over one more time. Bro, everybody's going so slow, bro. Go, dog. Damn. Alright. We made it, y'all. Then I'm gonna make another right. I don't know what to say. But I know I ain't spending another $20. I know that. I'm hungry. I gotta get me something to eat. That's my eating meal. That's my eating. What you call it? Shit. But I'm gonna let y'all know how I go though. So I'm gonna ride. I got a good little ride anyway. So shit. Hopefully Cataclean is so strong that it worked. But most of that shit just went on the ground. That's crazy. Oh man, look how the thing ride though. It rides so good. It just got that. And I knew that the car had this code, y'all. Look at the police. I knew the car had this code, y'all. When I bought the car, I did. So I knew it. So you know what I'm saying. I had that in mind when I bought it for this price and everything. So I got this mug. Listen, I got the cheapest one online. The cheapest one. I got the cheapest one online. You know what I'm saying? Shit, I always got the cheapest one of everything online that I sell. Let's go to the cheap one. It's probably mine's. For real. But I try to get the cars going. I don't be trying to hold on to them. The Malibu, I'm about to go. Well, I need to drive this car a little bit more. Man, I don't need to drive this car no more. That Cataclean, it wasn't enough. I don't think it was enough. But yeah, the Malibu, I want a little bit more money for the Malibu. They've been trying to offer me some prices on the Malibu, but I'm like, no. Hell no. That car ride too good. But this car ride good too. It's just, you know, it won't pass emissions. Y'all see what I'm doing. Ain't nobody in front of me now. I can ride. Ride now. This corner real quick, show y'all what this thing do for real. I'll go around the corner real quick and show y'all what it do for real. Them Georgia roads, boy, it don't be nothing but just road, hills and road. Look at that, taking the hill, ain't it? It's taking the hill. This mug ride good with 260. Ride good with 260, bro. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. But the correct thing to do was to put the whole thing of Cataclean in here and put like 97 worth of gas in here. But y'all know how the game go, man. I just don't want to give. I just don't want to spend another. I didn't want to spend that goddamn $20. $21.19 is what it just cost me. $21.19. I just paid it. Gas is, at the time of this video, $2.85. They always got some good prices right there though. But I ain't trying to put no more gas in there. I'm trying to let the customer test drive and everything on this tank. I don't want to put no money in here. I already had to buy tires, which was just $100. So really, did I put gas in here already? I did. Gas I had put in here. I'll put $20 in here. So that's already, I'm already 140 in, dog. I'm already one. You see how them numbers add up? That take away from your profit, man. I ain't putting no more money in this car. It's messed up that this video got to be like this because I'm probably still going to title it something about Cataclean. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. So I'm going to keep on driving for a while. I'm going to let y'all know how it go if it do come back on. Oh, and I will tell y'all this. If y'all looked at the last video, remember that the tire place put the wrong tires on my on this car on the back. What's supposed to go on here is 235 55 18s. They put 235 45 18s, and the damn lights was on, but y'all see them lights ain't on no more. Them lights is not on no more. That's what's up. Damn, it's 2 o'clock. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I'm gonna just ride it for a while, y'all, and I'm gonna just see what happens. But this car take a minute, but I'm gonna just ride it for a while and see what happens. Yeah, should I stop it? Copart. I'll be right back with y'all. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Damn, turn that down. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and damn, I gotta hook the scanner back up, but it didn't work though. Obviously, y'all, all this shit went out. I can check again though, so I don't even got it hooked up no more. I'll unhooked it real quick. Let's see. Hold up, bear with me, y'all. So, I don't think that junk working though, man. It's all good though. In the hood, it is what it is. You know, all of it went out. So, nope, and it's still, yeah, they gonna come back on. Yeah. But yeah, man. Yeah, it's gonna come back on. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just call it a wrap for this one. Matter of fact, let me go put this back over here, and I'm gonna meet y'all over here by the office so I can get the Malibu. All right, y'all, I'm back. So we got the Impala right here, man, and we got the what you call that? The Malibu. So get that stance one more time for y'all, man. Got them 2013s out. Y'all tired of me buying junk, you know what I'm saying? So I had to buy some newer model cars. It's cool though, it feel cool, it feel like, you know what I'm saying? Same old. But I got a good deal on this car though. I like this car more than I like the Taurus. I like this car a lot, actually. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. I appreciate y'all. Love you guys. About to move this Malibu. Not the Malibu, move this Taurus. I'm not taking this home. I'm going to park this joint right here. We don't need to put no more miles on it. It already got 260. So, you know, damn, I was neat in this one. I was neat. That's how I was driving. Yeah, that's how I was driving. All right, man. So I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, man. Shout out to the whole entire Hustle Nation, man. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. That Cataclean did not work today. That's because I, you know, it came out the bottle, but it's all good, man. Shout out to y'all. I'm out of here. Peace.